Hey guys, Murisei. Welcome back to Shona Land, and in this video I'll be teaching you the letter W from the Shona alphabet and how you combine it with the Shona vowels. Okay, as a recap, the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and this is how you pronounce the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So remember, vowels are very important in the Shona language, and they help or they determine how you pronounce all Shona words, because there is no Shona word that exists without a vowel, a Shona vowel. Okay, so I will combine the letter W with the Shona vowels, and I'll teach you how to pronounce them. So if you combine the letter W with the vowel A, it's wa, wa, wa. And if you combine it with the letter E, it's we, we, we. And if you combine it with I, it's we, we, we. And if you combine it with O, it's wo, wo, wo. And if you combine it with U, it's wu, wu, wu. So it's wa, we, wo, wu. Okay, so now I'll teach you some example words that we can make from these combinations, and so that you can get a better understanding of how you pronounce, or how the vowel actually determines how you pronounce the word. So for wa, it's the Shona word wangu, wangu. In English it's mine. If you're saying something is mine, so it's mine, wangu. So you're saying something belongs to you, it's mine, wangu. For we, it's wedzera, wedzera. English it's ed, wedzera. For we, it's wira, wira. That's fall in Shona, wira. For wo, it's wose, wose. That's everyone, wose. For wu, it's wumburuka. This one is a bit of a long one. Wumburuka. That's roll. Like if someone is rolling on the ground, that's wumburuka, or something is rolling on the ground. Wumburuka, wumburuka. So wa, wangu, we, wedzera, wi, wira, wo, wose, wu, wumburuka. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Ndatenda.